Now, slip and falls are what they sound. That's where you slip on either snow or ice or some sort of liquid substance. Well, trip and falls are where you trip on a pothole or a broken stair, or you fall down a flight of stairs because there's a lack of railing, or even a differential between two pieces of ground where you stub your toe and you fall forwards, or you roll your ankle. So slip and trip and fall claims are all encompassed in what are really called occupiers liability claims. And occupiers liability claims encompass a wide variety of slip and trip and fall claims which lead to injury. Now, many people that slip and fall or trip and fall end up with, frankly, quite serious injuries. The types of injuries that we frequently see are broken wrists, broken hips, broken ankles, injured backs, and a variety of other brain injury type of claims, which are really concussions or traumatic brain injury. And those often happen when you fall or slip and fall on ice and you smash your head on the ground, or you fall down a flight of stairs and you hit your head. Now, all of these claims, in order to receive compensation, you do have to prove liability. You have to show that the at-fault party, or the owner of the property, or the occupier of the property, failed to take reasonable steps to ensure that you are safe, or you have to show that they've done something wrong. And it's that this duty of care, which is statutory, it actually imposes what's called an affirmative duty, or a positive duty, on the property owners or the occupiers to do something to make sure that you're safe. Now, again, the standard is not perfection. They do not need to make sure that every single square inch of the property is perfectly flat or without any discrepancies or damage at all. But the standard, again, is reasonable. It has to be reasonably safe. Now, lawyers can help pursue meaningful compensation for victims of slip and fall claims. How we do that is through the litigation process and by using the court systems. Not unlike all other personal injury claims, we have to investigate the nature of your impairments and the injuries that you have. As I've indicated, slip and falls and trip and falls can lead to very serious injuries that can have lifelong impairment. And it's those type of injuries that we have to do a deep dive to figure out how is your life in the circumstances of your case going to be affected moving forwards. Again, we use experts to help us quantify that, but it's also the experience of the lawyer or law firm you choose that should be very familiar with the range of outcomes people with certain types of injuries are going to have. So if you've been injured in a slip and fall claim, feel free to reach out to Presser Law Firm. We have expertise handling slip and fall claims. We've done thousands of them. We are free and available to answer your questions. We provide free consultations, and you can contact us at 1-800-JUSTICE.